How's it going, guys? Cole here with Team Marketing. In my previous video, I went over the best practices for campaign level settings. Now I'm going to go over ad group level settings. This will be a short video because there are not that many settings for the ad group level. But nonetheless, thought I'd make a video going through them. Once again, this is for search campaigns specifically. Display and other campaign types like performance max and discovery / demand generation will have different settings. So first things first, to get to the ad group level settings, you go to campaigns, ad groups, and then next to one of the ad groups, you just click that gears icon. This will show you the ad group name, which you can edit here. You can turn the ad group on and off, and then you click additional settings. So here you can set the ad rotation for this ad group. You would do this if you wanted to optimize ads differently than the campaign settings. Not sure why you would want to, but it's an option that's available for you. And you can also set up your UTM tracking at the ad group level so that you can track ad group details. That's actually pretty much it for ad group level settings. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll try to do other campaign types soon, because in campaign types like demand generation and display, there are actually a few really important ad group level settings for you to look out for. If they're left enabled, they can really destroy your campaign. Until then, have a good one and leave a comment if you have any questions. Cheers.